any of you guys that seen my Home Depot video I just recently posted, you guys know that I picked this up from Home Depot for $18. This is a RYOBI 330 lumen lantern. It was regularly $34. Part number is P781. Not sure if you'll be able to see that. This was the last one that they had in stock. So I think what they're doing is they're phasing out the old lights to bring in the new ones. So like I said, this was $18. Not a bad price in my mind. So it's just a tool only. It doesn't come with a battery or a charger or anything. But it is 330 lumens. And it does have USB charging on the side here, which is nice. As you guys can see, it's got 360 degree of lighting. Got a nice fold away hook here if you want to go ahead and hang it. And then the battery goes on the bottom there. On the front, it does have a little power button. And then this button here also changes the modes. This light only weighs about a pound with no battery in it. It does accept your 18 volt RYOBI ONE Plus batteries. Max lumen output is 330 lumens as stated on the front there. And the USB charging is 1 amp. So this isn't going to be considered fast charging or anything, but it will charge your phone or say a tablet, something like that. I got a 4 amp battery here that we're going to go ahead and plug in so I can show you guys the performance of this light. Like I said, this is 330 lumens, so not super bright or anything. I went ahead and picked this light up because I thought it'd be useful when you have a power outage, something like that. It'd be a good light to put on the tabletop. You could use this out when you're camping if you wanted to. I got tons of RYOBI batteries, so I'm not gonna have an issue powering this thing. RYOBI does state that this can run up to 73 hours, but that's off a 6 amp hour battery. Now this does have 2 light modes. Your first light mode there is going to be your max output of 330 lumens. It does have a lower mode, but I couldn't find anywhere on the packaging or on RYOBI's site at what lumen output this low rating is at. So I'm not really sure. So it just has 2 modes. You got off, 330 lumens, and then it dims down. Couldn't really tell you what the lumen output on this one is. Like I said, on the side here it has a USB charging port that is 1 amp. I have tested it with my phone and it does work, but it is not a fast charger. So I'll go ahead and plug it in here. The light does not have to be on for it to charge your battery. Right now, my battery's at 67% and it says it's going to take 1 hour and 13 minutes to fully charge. You also can have the light on as it's charging, so you can charge your phone and use the light at the same time. It allows that, which is nice. Go ahead and give you guys an idea of the light output. Right now it's at 330 lumens. That's the high setting. That's the low setting, and then that's it off. Once again, here's the high setting, 330 lumens. You guys can see, got 360 degrees of lighting there. Not a bad job for 330 lumens. Seems to be lighting up the area underneath my gazebo there pretty well. Go ahead and turn it off. As you can see, pretty dark, so not too bad. Decent amount of light, and then as you can see, it covers the whole seating area there. So pretty good. Alright guys, so there you go. I just wanted to do a quick video because like I said, I picked this up at my local Home Depot for $18. Regularly $34. Like I said, pretty sure they're marking these down because they got a newer model coming in, so they're just trying to get rid of these. If you guys are interested, check out your Home Depot. might be able to find one of these still in stock. Once again, model number P781 for this light, max lumen output 330. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you guys did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button, notification bell, share, comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.